Mental health affects every part of our lives, and it's becoming an important topic in the workplace. Recent surveys suggest 76% of U.S. workers reported at least one symptom of a mental health condition.
Denise Middleton tells us how companies are investing in more ways to create a supportive work environment for their employees.
You know, we all want a good work-life balance, and taking care of our mental health is a big part of that. Burnout and life challenges can have a direct effect on our performance and development. That's why employers are prioritizing our mental well-being by putting it at the forefront of their planning. From mental health days to on-demand therapy and wellness apps, more and more companies are finding ways to support employee mental health.
We're constantly doing check-ins through surveys, asking people, do you feel supported? Do you feel comfortable talking to your supervisor? Do you have the resources that you need to be successful in your role?
And like other companies, Workforce Solutions has figured out ways to get creative to prevent burnout and boost morale.
We do some challenges, water intake challenge. So whoever drinks the more water during the week, whoever does more exercising or healthy habits, food and things like that, healthy snacks in the workplace.
Joanna Lopez says they also train companies on coaching, leadership, mental health, and stress management, and that it's important for employers to lead by example. Mindfulness meditation has become a staple of employee development in several Fortune 500 organizations like Goldman Sachs, Google, Apple, and Nike, which in turn decrease healthcare costs while increasing the bottom line. Baylor College of Medicine is another example, named Healthiest 100 Workplaces in America for the 8th year in 2022, recognized for prioritizing the well-being of its employees in a number of ways.
One of them is by establishing a frontline employee access program, an EAP program, so that people who need kind of initial support or direction can access services immediately. Second is that we provide direct psychiatric services for those that need something a little bit more.
Dr. Storch says they've also expanded their Office of Student Mental Health and Office of Well-Being to provide more treatment, along with the plan to train the next generation on how to address mental health needs.
Another project that we've done is develop out a program for working with parents of children who have anxiety that's freely available, but that teaches parents essentially how to be the therapist for their child's anxiety.
Although employers have made a lot of progress, Lopez says not all companies know how to offer help or resources to provide supportive and preventative care.
And that's why it's important to provide training on mental health and how to do things, not just knowing here are the resources, but how to get access to the resources, how you can start a conversation about mental health.
By law, most health insurance providers must cover mental health benefits the same way they cover physical health benefits. But if you don't know when or how to seek help, we have information on the steps you can take along with different ways to deal with stress and anxiety in the workplace. That's on our website, fox26houston.com. Denise Middleton, Fox 26 News.